Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com, and we're going to talk a little bit about puddles in new concrete. This is not my job. I'm not building this house. If you discover something new, consider clicking that thanks text link underneath the video and realize that every single dollar that I raise, I try to plow back into the channel to make more videos for you faster. Let's check out the new slab that was poured on Saturday and what happened. Look. In an earlier video, I showed you the concrete slab right after it was poured, and I thought that there might be some puddles in it, and it turns out pretty big ones. What a shame. And it's, right in the middle of the slab, and they actually were bigger. It actually was much deeper because you can see the rings right here. You can see where some of the water has already evaporated, and it's some of it has gone back down into these cracks, the control joints. But it's possible to fix this with a skim coat, but it's a shame that it happened. It really shouldn't happen because I didn't see any control stakes. I'll show you over here. In this slab that they're going to pour, I thought they were going to do today, but that stake right here, and it's got the nail in it. Anyway, I didn't see any of those in this entire slab. So I don't know how he was getting his grade as they screeded the concrete, but when you don't do that, this is what happens. You get big puddles like this. And it's problematic if they're going to put like laminate flooring down here. You have to have the floors in the same plane. So this has got to be fixed at some point. That's for sure. There's really not much you can say about the puddle. It's a problem. It's not easy per se to prevent it. I mean, it takes a little bit of work, takes a lot of skill, and it's a shame that it happened. There are lots of ways to make sure it doesn't happen, and maybe the finisher did not have enough help. Who knows what it is? It really doesn't matter. The good news is that you can repair it, and it's not too hard to repair, but it's a shame that you have to do the repair. And keep this in mind, that if you're thinking ahead and you're pouring a concrete slab, depending on what type of flooring you're going to have on it, many of the floorings are really important. Like if it's carpet, who cares? Big deal, all right? Except that this puddle's pretty deep. Looks to me like it's at least a ½ inch deep, all right? That could be a problem. But for laminate flooring, never going to work, all right? The floors have to be in the same plane. Doesn't mean they have to be level. It just means they have to be in the same plane where there's no humps and no dips. If you need help on a job, I do phone coaching, and I just had a gentleman call me about doing that. And he needs some plumbing work done, doesn't live too far away, so I'm going to help him over the phone, might even stop by his job site. And if you discovered something new, consider clicking that thanks button that is underneath the video. It's really a text link, and make a small donation, and it helps me make more videos for you faster. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.